Seneca once said, "True wisdom is to always be content with oneself and to never cease to improve." Intelligence is a gift, but wisdom is a journey. The Stoics, ancient philosophers with timeless ideas, believe that true wisdom transcends pure intellect. It's not just about the knowledge you accumulate, but how you navigate the complexities of life with virtue and reason. Today, we unveil the profound principles of Stoicism, challenging the notion that intelligence alone guarantees wisdom. It urges us to go beyond the surface, encouraging us to embrace a set of principles that act as beacons in our quest for a more meaningful and enlightened life. But before delving into these 5 principles for wisdom, a gentle call to stay with us until the end. Your attention, your presence, is already a step towards wisdom. If not done already, subscribe and like our channel, because by sharing this journey together, we embark on a quest for wisdom, for a deeper understanding, and a wiser way of being. Principle 1. Recognizing the dichotomy of control. This principle invites us to reassess our approach to life, urging us to release unnecessary burdens stemming from our fixation on things beyond our influence. By refocusing our attention on aspects we can actively shape, we pave the way for a serene existence oriented towards a clear purpose. The Stoics, with their timeless wisdom, offer a transformative perspective discerning between what we can change and what we cannot. This discernment, or dichotomy of control, becomes the centerpiece of wisdom cultivation. Similarly, in life, we face circumstances beyond our control, the actions of others, external events, or unforeseen challenges. The Stoic principle urges us to relinquish futile attempts to manipulate these uncontrollable factors and, instead, invest our energy where it can make a significant difference. By shedding the weight of unnecessary concerns, we free ourselves from anxiety and frustration born of futile attempts to control the uncontrollable. This liberation marks the beginning of a serene existence. The Stoics advocate focusing on the inner citadel, cultivating virtues under our control, such as attitudes, choices, and responses. This recalibration of perspective opens the door to a purpose-driven life, a life where we invest our energy in endeavors aligned with our values and goals, fostering a sense of meaning and accomplishment. It invites us on a journey of self-discovery, where the compass is defined by our internal principles rather than external circumstances. Principle 2. Embracing the present moment. In the hustle of modern life, the Stoics invite us to embrace the now. Wisdom is not found in dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. It resides in fully experiencing each moment, finding beauty in the simplicity of the present. Imagine the present moment as a work of art, each instant a unique embroidery in the tapestry of our existence. The Stoics encourage us to detail each filament, appreciate the texture and nuances of the present, rather than being distracted by the shadows of the past or the uncertain outlines of the future. This doesn't mean ignoring the lessons of the past or neglecting planning for the future, but rather finding a balance by paying special attention to what unfolds here and now. By fully embracing the present moment, we discover a depth of understanding and a richer connection with the life unfolding around. Stoic wisdom is expressed in the ability to savor the flavor of each moment, to perceive the beauty in the simplicity of the present instant. It lies in the mindfulness of our existence, in the recognition that each moment is a precious opportunity to grow, learn, and flourish. Thus, by immersing ourselves in the now, we uncover an endless source of wisdom. The simplicity of the present becomes a sanctuary, a place where clarity and inner peace can be found. The Stoics teach us that true wisdom is not only in conceptual understanding, but in the profound experience of each moment, an experience that reveals the true essence of life and wisdom. Principle 3. Practicing gratitude. Wisdom thrives in a heart grateful for the small wonders of life. Stoicism teaches us to appreciate what we have, fostering contentment and resilience in the face of life's challenges. It teaches us to look beyond major achievements and milestones, to find richness in the small wonders that punctuate our daily lives. A guide to sincere appreciation of what we have, which, in turn, nurtures a grateful heart. Modern life can sometimes sweep us into a frantic race towards ever greater goals, leaving little room to appreciate the small joys that pepper our existence. The Stoics remind us that true wisdom is cultivated in the ability to see beauty in simplicity, to feel gratitude for every ray of sunshine, every shared smile, every moment of peace. Practicing gratitude according to Stoic principles doesn't mean denying life's challenges, but rather adopting a perspective that allows us to see beyond trials. It's recognizing that even in the midst of difficulties, there are lessons to learn and opportunities for growth. By cultivating gratitude, we strengthen our resilience in the face of challenges. A grateful heart finds strength in appreciating inner resources and interpersonal connections. It becomes an emotional shield, enabling us to navigate trials with an attitude anchored in wisdom. Thus, the practice of gratitude, according to the Stoics, becomes a path to fulfilling wisdom. It's a key to open the doors to inner peace and well-being, reminding us that true wealth lies in our ability to recognize and appreciate the often overlooked treasures of everyday life. Principle 4. Navigating adversity with Stoic resilience. Wisdom reveals itself in how we face adversity. The Stoic practice of seeing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning transforms setbacks into steps toward a wiser existence. This Stoic principle takes us into the turbulent sea of adversity, where wisdom unfolds in how we confront life's storms. The Stoics teach us an exceptional form of resilience, one that views challenges not as insurmountable obstacles, but as opportunities for growth and learning. Picture yourself as a Stoic captain, navigating tumultuous waves. Rather than fearing the storm, Stoic wisdom encourages you to embrace challenges as opportunities to strengthen your navigation skills. Every gust of wind becomes a lesson, every breaking wave an opportunity to grow and strengthen insight. When faced with trials, Stoic wisdom urges us to ponder what we can learn from these tough moments. The Stoics view every adversity as a school of life, where experience becomes the teacher and resilience, the student. Transforming setbacks into steps toward a wiser existence also means accepting the impermanence of life. The Stoics remind us that everything, even difficult moments, is transient. By developing Stoic resilience, we become skillful navigators, capable of weathering storms while preserving our inner calm. Stoic wisdom guides us to see setbacks as steps toward a wiser existence, where each wave brings us closer to inner tranquility and fulfilling wisdom. Principle 5. Cultivating equanimity amid uncertainty. The Stoics teach us that, faced with the whims of fate, equanimity becomes the shield that protects our inner peace and guides our actions with clarity and discernment. Cultivating Stoic equanimity doesn't mean remaining indifferent to events, but rather developing the inner strength to face uncertainty without being overwhelmed by anxiety or fear. It's the art of maintaining tranquility even in the eye of the storm, a valuable skill emanating from Stoic wisdom. Imagine yourself as a rock at the edge of the ocean, resisting the onslaught of waves without losing your solidity. Stoic wisdom invites us to become to this rock, to develop inner resilience that allows us to remain unshaken in moments of uncertainty. Equanimity becomes a light burden we carry, an attitude that enables us to face the highs and lows of life with calm grace. It's an inner compass that guides our actions not in panic-driven reaction but with clear reflection and a deep understanding of the ever-changing realities of existence. This reminds us that true wisdom manifests in our ability to stay centered even when the external world is in turmoil. It's an invitation to forge a resilient mind that transcends the fluctuations of life, allowing us to navigate with grace and wisdom through the sometimes turbulent waters of our journey. Thank you for accompanying me on this enriching journey once again. I look forward to sharing more inspiring content with you in the future. Don't forget to subscribe and enable the notification bell to stay connected